एका मेंढपाळाच्या मुलाने अथक प्रयत्नातनं IPS अधिकारी होण्यापर्यंत मजल मारली. मेंढरं राखणारा पोरगा आता साहेब झाला म्हणत अख्ख्या महाराष्ट्राने त्याला अक्षरशः डोक्यावर घेतलंय. काही प्रयत्नात अपयश आलं, मात्र जिद्द, चिकाटी आणि प्रामाणिक अभ्यासाच्या बळावर कोल्हापुरातील कागल तालुक्यातील यमगे गावचा बिरदेव डोणे याने UPSCचं मैदानच मारलं. याच बिरदेवच्या मॉक इंटरव्ह्यूचा व्हिडिओ आता समोर आलाय. यात त्याने आत्मविश्वासाने दिलेली उत्तरे पाहून तुम्हीही भारावून जाल.
Recent assembly elections in Maharashtra.
I want just more bit of clarification from you, sir. Analysis from what point?
I don't know. Analysis from Birudev point of view.
Sir, the people of Maharashtra have given the thumping majority for the ruling government, bringing the opposition. It is in the first time in the history of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. The Assembly is not going to have a opposition leader of opposition in the Assembly. So it's very bad thing from the point of view of the democracy. And Maharashtra's Ladki Bahin Yojana has impacted the result. It is said that.
Okay. How would Maharashtra now ensure that Ladki Bahin would continue?
Maharashtra act as the economic powerhouse of India, sir, and majorly attracting the foreign direct investment in the Maharashtra. So promoting the manufacturing sector, which is struggling in its current phase, and interlinking the agriculture sector and the manufacturing sector through food processing industries, Maharashtra can generate the more revenue so that it can sustain the social sector scheme which it is promoting right now.
What is the difference between, say, Revdi culture as against a genuine welfare program?
Revdi culture means the distribution of financial resources of the government to influence the voting behavior of the public at a large, whereas the welfare schemes are meant to genuinely alleviate the concerns of the citizens at large.
What is the issue which is being examined? What is the issue? Appointment of election commissioners. All right. But what is the issue? What Supreme Court will examine?
The Honorable Court want to examine whether the Parliament has the authority to go away with the directions given by the Constitutional Bench of the Supreme Court.
Telling them Maharashtra's mannerlessness, about which we are very proud, that we are rough and utterly mannerless people. He wants to compete with me, but he is a poor, distant second in being mannerless.
You haven't lived in
नहीं, पता है ना. We had an earlier candidate to whom I had to tell him not to do too much of sirring, but you were almost to the other end, hardly saying sir or madam. But the way you speak is so endearing, that's what I'm saying. असं तुझी छान आहे बोलण्याची शैली. थोडं इंग्लिश मधनं बोलताना फक्त त्याला जर ॲव्हरेज एका उत्तरात एकदा एवढं तरी. ज्यांच्याशी बोलतोय त्यांना सर सो अँड सो.
Actually, कसं झालं? Actually, what was the problem? In my previous mocks, I was using sir for multiple times. So friends at my room suggested not to use sir in this mock, so that we can we can just analyze how to use that in the next mock.
No. The balance is in beautiful word called samyak. Samyak. That you are dealing respectfully with the panel. Even when you don't use sir, Birudev, in the way you answer is simply beautiful. These are written notes for you. They have written down for you. This is a time-saving gesture. But with any one of them also, anytime you want to discuss, let us know. I know they will be more than happy to spare time for you. When we see talent, we are all yours. There is this beautiful talent, man. Come on. तुझी प्रशांत होळकरशी ओळख आहे का? प्रशांत आपला चाणक्यचा विद्यार्थी 2012 IPS झाला. आता मुंबईत आहे पोस्टिंगवर. आणि अशी आपली यादीची यादी आहे अशी. म्हणण्याचं माझं कारण I see you in the next in line, right?
Yes.
So go on to success. Absolutely. Bless you.
Thank you, sir.
These are notes for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best. Thank you.
Yeah.
सोशल मीडियाच्या भाऊ गर्दीत विश्वासार्हतेने चकाकणारे नाव म्हणजे लेट्सअप मराठी.
सगळ्यांना, सगळ्या नागरिकांना ती स्पीच, ती
लेट्सअप वरील मुलाखती म्हणजे विचारांचा खजिना.
त्यानंतरच्या निवडणुकीमध्ये मला सोडून गेले.
बातम्या केवळ वस्तुस्थिती सांगणाऱ्या, न प्रोपगंडा, फक्त जनतेचा अजेंडा.
क्योंकि आने वाला कल जाने वाला है, जाने वाला कल आने वाला है.
राजकारण, मनोरंजन असो की क्रीडा क्षेत्र, महाराष्ट्राची स्पंदने संवेदनशीलतेने टिपणारे माध्यम म्हणजे लेट्सअप मराठी. जगासोबत एक पाऊल पुढे राहण्यासाठी लेट्सअपचे ॲप, सोशल मीडिया आणि वेबसाईट सोबत कनेक्टेड रहा.